We're doing it on Omega. Episode 421. Why is there no volume now? Whoa. Oh wait. I had my volume down. Yes. Actually, let's just exit this here. Redo episode 421. This is hey, there's no music now. There was an update. Checking out the music here. Okay. Starting to get used to it. This is TRI GOON versus INVOKED SHADDOLL. I lose. Wow. Who main decks Lancia? Come on. Karis, discard Kit. He's gonna Lancia. Kit's effect's gonna dump Nerval. Nerval gonna add Fractal. This was a special summon, normal summon into a Verte, and of course he has every hand trap. I was gonna go to Dragoon, but he negated, so I set my own 2 in perm. He was gonna El Shaddol Fusion or Shaddol Fusion, and then Ash Blossom. Allure of Darkness. Draw 2, banish one dark. Dear Servant. Sending up Cologne, adding Ecclesia. Up Cologne. It's gonna add the Schism, and then discard Beast. Beast is gonna draw 1 card. Ecclesia. Special. Is that a special summon? Is there, did he? I don't even know what happened. In perm, Ecclesia, he's gonna get Fleur de Lis or what is that trap card again? Punishment, Dogmatic Punishment. Ooh, Red Eyes. Red Eyes Fusion, Schism. For whoa. They banished those 2. Winda, I keep forgetting this. Cannot be destroyed by opponent's card effects. I should have just in-permed it and then pop. 1 pop. Oh, I was gonna attack, but then Alistair. Quick effect, extend this card to the graveyard. From your hand to the graveyard and target 1 fusion monster you control gains 1000. So it's gonna be 23 or 32, 3000. I lose 200 life points. Oh, lost the Dragoon. Wendy. Flip. Special summon. And face down defense. Hedgehog. Normal summon Dragon. Dragon attack. Wendy. This guy can't direct attack? But it cannot attack directly. Oh. Okay. Draw phase shotgun. In perm for Winda. So now I can special summon more than once. Each player can only special summon monsters once per turn while this card is face up on the field. Summon Cat, he's gonna Schism. For another window. Who plays double window? Come on. Wow. Cat effect. Send itself. Special summon 2 level 3 or lower beast types, and that's it. And they get end phase. They get destroyed. So I couldn't even link them off. So, but Kit's effect. It's gonna dump Nerval, add Fractal, and that's it. Roll some dragon, flip summon hedgehog, add Shadddoll fusion, battle, attack. Oh yeah, these guys can't attack directly because of Schism. I was wondering why I couldn't attack Fractal. I could do Fractal, but under Winda, because that requires just like 4 and then special summon once. But you can't do Revolt with Winda because you have to special summon more than once. Chireg, banish the one Winda. I should have attacked right here, like this and like that, but instead I went like that and fucking stupid. Set, and he's gonna Schism. 1, 2. For construct, one Shadddoll monster plus a light monster. Effect, discard this special summon. You can send one Shadddoll card from your deck to the graveyard. No, Shadddoll Ariel. This card is sent to the graveyard by a card effect. You can target 3 cards in the graveyards. Banish them. What? 1, 2, 3 banished. Of course, Feather Duster. It's great. Shadddoll fusion. Lancia and Wendy. Another construct. Construct's gonna dump Shadddoll fusion. Oh shh. Battle. Construct's effect. If this card battles a special summon monster, destroy that monster. At the start of the damage step. Chireg. I had says right here. This card is sent to the graveyard. You could add 1 beast, any type of beast whose level is less than or equal to the number of banished. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I had a level 6, any type of beast, I would have gotten it, but Fractal's like the highest level I have. Fractal, banish, 1. What? How many did I banish there? 1, 2, 3? Chireg, of course, he's gonna Schism. 1, 2. 2 Shadddoll monsters with different attributes. This guy's also a dark, and then Schism. And you can send 1 monster, and you can send to the graveyard 1 monster your opponent controls with the same attribute as that fusion summoned monster. This guy's a dark, this guy's a dark. Wow. Chireg banished Winda. Chireg. Oh wait, and then Apcolone. Discard a special summon, you can target 1 card, 1 face-up card in the field, negate its effect. This guy already activated its effect, so whatever. Since he activated a monster effect during the main phase, triple tactics talent, and take his own construct, crash into the construct. Then construct's gonna add those 2. Whoa, what happened here? What the f— this card didn't go to his hand there. Oh, there we go. Still alive. Send with Dear Servant to add Ecclesia. What is that, a special summon? Yeah, that was a special summon. Special effect. Add. normal. Oh yeah, I screwed up here. He specialed, and then if he controls the Dogmatica with Fleur de Lis, he can negate the effect. Onto Al Mirage, and then Kit Dump Nerval. I just attacked and yeah. Game 2. I made some mistakes. Cat, Tribute, Special. Right here, I should have went into Farajit. I don't know why I thought I could normal summon twice. Kit Dump Nerval, add Fractal, or Karis. Yeah, if I would have went into a Farajit, I could have summoned him. Winda, this is like Winda Turbo. Wendy, Beast, Wendy Hedgehog, Beast add or draw, Magical Meltdown, Outside Invoker, normal summon Outside Invoker, add Invocation. I'm surprised he did not activate Invocation here. Why? Destroy. I'm gonna get Revolt and send to the bottom of the deck Red Eyes Fusion, Alistair Direct, normal summon, and then he's gonna Ice Dragon's Prison. It's gonna special summon, and then if it's the same type, you could banish both of them. Set. Still did not go for Invocation. Linked for Artemis. Attack. And draw. Oh, summon Kid, activate effect. Banish 4. Shureg. And Schism. Apgalon. Or Schism's gonna destroy the Shureg. But I get to banish the Winda. Shureg, I had more than enough. Apgalon. It's gonna negate. It's already used its effect. Since you activated a monster effect on the main phase, I thought it was gonna be able to link off for Verte here, but Tri Brigade effect. And also, you could only use any type of beast as link materials this turn. That is a spellcaster. So yeah. And Phasey gets it back. Shaddol Fusion, Imperial Order, negating all spells. Fleur de Lis, Schism, Winda, Jesus. Attack, Kit, dump Nerval, add Kit. Oh, Guts win. Man, that's a tough one. One of the craziest Shaddol, invoked Shaddol deck I've ever dueled. Does he have a deck? 421. He does have a deck. 4. Replay sharing. Make sure you guys turn on your replay sharing. You were at 1244, 1222. 421. Let's check it out. 421. Let the net decking begin. Oh, it's a clean 42. Oh, only one. Very small Dogmatica. Heavy Storm Duster, what? Nice clean side deck. Wow. Not bad. 261, still 261. Comment, share, like, sub, it's reflected. See you guys.